and therefore this court declines to review its orders sentencing the applicants to 1 month. The Court of Appeal may proceed and make any other determinations on the issue, but you can now start serving your sentences.
That was the hammer that fell on the 7 officials' heads Monday as they ran out of grace with the court before Justice Helen Wasilwa 3 suspensions of their sentence later. And for 48 hours, they would start what would have been a month-long stay behind bars. But a legal team led by Siaya Senator James Orengo, Mutula Kilonzo Jr., Philip Murgor, the doctors' lawyers Edgar Washika and Bernard Chenge would appear before a 3-judge appellate bench Wednesday in defense of the incarcerated doctors. The public outcry that followed the imprisonment of the 7 officials saw Lady Justices Wanjiru Karanja, Hannah Okwengu and Jamila Mohammed direct the Doctors' Union, the Attorney General and the Council of Governors to reach a consent amongst themselves that would be acceptable to all and to the court.
We thought that today in the spirit of dialogue and reconciliation, that we'll get together and get a solution.
If there was no objection on your part, we could give all of you an opportunity to agree, because we all know that the main issue is that whether the doctors should be released or not, isn't it?
And when they walked back in, a 4-fold consent had been agreed upon. 1, that the unconditional and immediate release of the doctors be granted pending the hearing of the appeal. 2, that negotiations continue within 7 days with a view to resolving the outstanding issues in order to restore normalcy. 3, that the Law Society of Kenya and the Kenya National Commission on Human Rights jointly lead the mediation talks and file a report before the bench in 7 days. And finally, that the matter be mentioned on the 23rd of February. The 3-judge bench giving its nod.
You have made it easy for us and also for the doctors, I believe, for Kenyans. And we are hopeful that this time the negotiations are going to be fruitful.
Thank you.
We
trust. We'll try to do that.
The doctors are agitating for the implementation of their 2013 collective bargaining agreement, despite the government's continued stance that it is impractical to, say, give doctors a 300% pay increment. Jackie Maribe, Citizen Business Center.